Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. That's right, I'm still here at the U-Pull-It place, walking around the junkyard showing you guys what happens to them, how bad they rot out here in New York State because of the snow, because we use rock salt. But then please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications, leave a comment down below, like and share. But yeah, you know how hard it is for me to find a clean car to sit in to start my videos. It's almost impossible here because I don't want to start it out in the sunlight and be squinting like crazy. So I'm going to show you some more of them. This will probably be the last one I'll do here. But I'm going to show you guys around because the weather's nice here and the weather's going to change real quick. And you're going to hear guys working on them, pulling parts off. These ones don't seem to be too bad. HHRs or no, it's a PT Cruiser. And another one. A lot of the Dodge ones right here. Wow, Prius. I didn't think I'd find that here. I'm walking around this way. I'm not going to try and trip over anything and kill myself. That's surprising to find a Prius in here. Wow. I don't know too much about these cars, but a buddy of mine swears by these. What year is it? 2006. If I'm right, I think hey, look at that. Somebody left you a Keurig coffee maker. You want it? But I don't know if somebody took the battery out of this or what. Where I know it sits somewhere back here. I've never really taken one apart. And they left the book. Somebody like to read. Probably a college student's car, judging by the CDs and let's see what kind of music they listen to. Winter music, rhythm skills development. Yeah, they were probably a college student, and this thing is pretty dirty. Like I said, I'm surprised this one's even here. Some of these like this, oh yeah, they took everything out of this. Transmission's laying on the ground, they just wanted the motor out of it. There you go, the old redneck sticker. Yeah, because I'm toward the back of the place. This is where you really get the leftovers. The Honda Del Sol. Not much left of this one. Let's see how good their driving was with the clutch. Yeah, they definitely had something going out their flywheel. You can see all the gouge marks. God, this flywheel is so small. Look at this. This is how small this flywheel is. It's so tiny. Like Frisbees are larger than that. Yeah, it looks like somebody was trying to save it. But they just get so rusted out and rotted. Can't save them. You know, Pontiacs here. These cars are actually pretty cool. Let's see if I can get it open. Nope. It's a Pontiac Aztec. I haven't seen the inside of one of these things in years. Yeah, here they always take the gas tanks out. They always do. As soon as they come in, they pop them out. But this car has so much plastic in it. I'm surprised it's got leather seats. I didn't think they came with it. But this thing is just loaded with plastic. Yeah, it was a girl's car. And glued on little fake plastic rhinestones. Ford Ranger. Now this is what I mean too. Look how rotted out this bed is. I mean, you can see the ground. That's how bad they are here. This is why a lot of people in New York State don't have cars long, because they just rot out to the ground. You won't see anything high-end here, you know. Won't find no exotics or nothing like that. No GTRs. And here comes another airplane, because the airport's not too far off from here. There it is. Pontiac Grand Ams. I remember when these were popular. I had a couple of them. 3.4. Yeah, these poor cars rotted out underneath too in the back end, just like the Escapes. Yeah, a lot of these guys, all the jacks are always gone because they use them to get the cars off the ground here. That's all mud and oil, all splashed up on there, breaking out the windows. Yeah, this yard's pretty big, but when you got to get something from all the way in the back and you got to drag it up front, you got a good walk ahead of you. Yeah, that Del Sol again. Somebody got spray paint happy with it. See, there we go again. This is a prime example, man. They just rot out here. A lot of guys here, we have summer cars and winter cars. Summer cars, you just cruise around and look good and keep them up, and winter cars, you can care less. These are just all your basic ones, common cars. Look at that Aztec. Another crunch job. And an old carburetor. It looks like it's flooded. No pun intended. Yeah, I hope somebody wasn't trying to save that. Or somebody took it off and didn't keep it. I think it went to that Dodge I seen. Yeah, it's an old Dodge on the other side of this trailer right here. No, okay, maybe it didn't go. Oh, no. It's an old, like, Ram. Wow. Now this, I have not seen one of these in years. Save. I think you're a little late on that. Oh, there's the hood. The hood actually looks like it's in good shape. Got the window vent. See, yeah, you're probably about 25 years too late on that one. I'm in the bottom of the tailgate. It actually looks good. That door, forget it. This door, no, not so much. Cause they had those big mirrors that went on here and just rotted everything out. And what year is this? 1986. I thought it was a little bit older, but no. Yeah, they pretty much took everything out of this. Got the big hole. Wow. Yeah, it smells like it's like an old car. You know, an old truck sitting. I remember a kid growing up there with a auto shop next door to us, and they used to have cars all over the place like that, and we used to play around in them when we were kids. And this reminds me of that old nasty dirty smell. Spider webs. I'm sure there might be some little things to save out of this, but not much. I mean, the side windows are in good shape. I mean, the side window's still good. Do you even have a back window? Yeah. I mean, it doesn't look like it rotted out at the bottom. No, not. Surprising. The hood's in nice shape. There's actually probably the front differential. Maybe for this, I don't know. I don't know if that's the other section, I don't know. Yeah, this other side window, this is still in nice shape too. You know, you can't see the that lamination between the separating. Like how you get this white stuff, that's where the, you know, that thick film in between it, when the windshield breaks, you know, it tries not to go in there. But yeah, it was a nice truck. Yeah, a buddy of mine had some of these. They were cool to mess around with in the mud. Good man. Yeah, then you get your common ones that you guys have seen every day in a junkyard. On a toaster? The things that people just leave in their car, tiki torches, umbrellas. Yeah, this thing looks like it was a catch-all for their garbage. Eesh. Not that. Yeah, it's an old Jeep. I don't think it's that old. I mean, I know what it is. That. Can't remember what the heck this one's called. Patriot, there it is. Yeah. Jeez. Well guys, I'm gonna cut it here. So please share, like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, leave a comment down below, tell me what you liked, what you didn't like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.